I'm willing to make the roof. I will start, this is the size that I have cut already. So I will cover the roof by such beautiful ceiling. The first part remaining the second part. We did install the other part or the second part. It was the first and this is the second part. Now we have to cover this area. Afterward we will show you how it will look like. Now it's done from top to bottom. The second part is gonna be the lighting. I have two colors. This is the yellow one and this is the white one. I'll see. I think maybe I'm going to use the yellow one. I don't know. I will try it. Now I made 8 holes